Hey guys, today I have two new Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. For the first DIY, you are going to need a garland, some wire cutters, some floral wire, an owl, and many pine cones. So let's get started. First, you're going to cut the wire thing and then you're going to wrap your garland around. First, I twisted it so it can hold, and then you're just going to wrap it around and around and around and around. So that's what I'm doing now. Okay, and now you're going to get your pine cones. You can get your pine cones from the park or the store. I got them from both. These small ones that I'm opening right now are from the store, but later on I have some bigger pine cones that I got from the park. Okay, so now I'm going to take the pine cones and I'm going to be gluing them onto like our garland thing that we just wrapped right now. Make sure that you have enough pine cones and stuff, but you're just going to like fill like the whole thing up and it'll give it a really nice look. So once you've glued all your pine cones, you're going to do this twisty thing that I did with some extra garland, and that is just to give the owl some support so that it can stand up and it can look really cute. So right now I'm just making sure it's long enough and stuff. So you're just going to put some hot glue and then glue it and just hold it so that it can dry. And there it is. Okay, for our second DIY, you're going to be needing 2 snow globes, some flax snow, some Christmas toy things of trees, and a hot glue gun. So first, you're just going to take the snow globe pieces apart and take one of your trees. Since my tree is too long, I just cut it down and then cut the base so that I could glue it again and it could be shorter. And now we're going to be doing the other one, so same process, we're going to be cutting it down and then gluing it back to the base so that it can fit better. so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our trees and we're gonna glue them onto like the cap part of the snow globe. And then now with our fake snow, we're just gonna fill the thing, oh my god, I forgot the name, the thing up with some, and then it's gonna look really cute because it's gonna look like the trees are on some snow, and it looks really cute. And that's our second DIY done. It's like extremely easy. So this is the final products. I think they look super cute and I just really like how they turned out. So again, hope you guys like and subscribe and see you on my next video. Bye!